Good afternoon, everyone. We are the DFFT students from CPHA. We are here to present to you the right way and proper way of PC assembling and disassembling. Here, Mr. Taladero to show us the proper way of disassembling PC. So, Mr. Taladero, what is the first thing to remember before doing the PC disassembly?
Okay. For doing PC disassembly, first thing to do is to unplug or power off the system or the computer, and we need the anti-static gun. But if we don't have, we can grab our hands and touch the unpainted metal to use static electricity. We proceed to disassembling the PC. First, remove the case or the cover. Second is to unplug all the wirings. We are done to unplug all the cablings. Next, we remove all the adapter cards. This is the proper way of handling the memory card. This is the temporary storage device or the temporary storage of data. Next is the video card. This is the proper way of handling the video card. It enhances the display of the computer and put it in upside down position. Next, fan. This is the fan. It produces heat from the processor. This is the proper way of handling the processor. It is the brain and heart of the computer. It performs 90% of computing. Now, we untighten the screw of the motherboard, but do not attempt is the motherboard. It connects all the other components of the PC. Now, next, we remove the hard disk. Hard disk. It is the permanent storage of data. Next is the power supply. Power supply it is the power converter. It converts high direct voltage to low high voltage AC to low voltage DC. Now, we are done to disassembly the PC.
Okay, we're done in PC disassembling. Now we have here Mr. Jason Vallega who show us the proper way of assembling the PC. Mr. Vallega, what's the first thing to remember assembling the PC?
Okay. Always remember the first in, last out. Last out, first in. First is the power supply. Then the hard disk. Then the hard disk. Then the motherboard. Then the processor.
Okay lang yun.
Then the fan. The video card. Then the memory. Next to unplug the wirings. Next is plug the wirings.
Nabulbul ko natin. Okay, we are now done in PC assembling and disassembling. You can like us on Facebook on DFKIT Batch Futuristic, and you can tweet in our Twitter and visit our page at www.dfkit.com.